Hey, it's a Dally Wally! Hey guys, it's me, Boy Genius here, and taking my dog outside. I figured it's a nice enough day, and plus I'm bored of just swinging on the swings all the time. It's all I ever really do around here is really just swing. There's not much to do out here, so how very rarely do I take my dog out to play. I better just do it right now. So, Dally, look, you're gonna be on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. She don't care. Uh-oh, there's a dog. Smart decision, Dally. Let's go. Good thinking. Because, I don't know if I told you guys this yet or not. She did get in a fight with one dog here. And it was so bad that the owners had to come out and stop it. I had to go and stop it. No, come on. And the thing is, she wasn't on a leash because we only lived a few blocks that way, which is facing directly towards a field. Oh, thank God he's on a leash. It was directly facing the football field. So I didn't think it would be much of a big deal, you know? But as soon as I let her out, she starts attacking another dog. And I didn't even know of it. But because that dog, who apparently wasn't leashed, was out, I didn't take her over there. Come on, get out of the grass, weirdo. She loves grass, I think. She just walks on it all the time. Come on, no, get out. Okay, this is what she does every single time I go take her on walks. She always stops every few seconds. Is there a game or something going on here? Please do not be. Well, I'm not meaning that in a rude way. Go Trojans. But I just want to take my dog out, dude. Okay, and I do not see anyone so far, so I think that covers it. Dally, guess what we're gonna do today? You're gonna chase the ball around. So you can just go outside and play and be a doggy for once. I think we'll take her like right over here. I mean, no one's here right now anyway, so it's not gonna be too much of a big problem. Quit dragging on the leash, silly dog. That I love. And another dog that I'm happy isn't loose. As he is inside that kennel. Yeah, he's staying there. Crazy old dog. Not as crazy as my dog, though. She's a good girl. But she's not crazy, though. She really isn't. She's just a sweet little angel. Huh, puppy? Sweet little angel about ready to get some exercise. Come on, get out of the cornfield. That's not a cornfield. Come on. She really likes grass. I don't know why. She'll just keep walking in it. Come on, follow me. Well, yeah. Here we are, puppy. You're gonna get ready to have some fun today. Might want to take another bathroom break while you're at it. I guess we'll do it right here. Hey, where do you think you're going? Hold on. Yeah, you know it's in there, huh? You know it's in there. Look. Ready? Go get it. Oh, look at her. Look at the dog. Look at my little doggy. Come here. Come here. Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Oh, she's such a sweet little girl. Come here. Bring the ball. Come here. Bring the ball. Oh, you do not want to give it to me, huh? Ready? Ready? Sit. No, I'm not going to do that. Okay. I'll just give you the ball. Oh, did she just jump? Sweet. Yeah, come here. Come bring the ball. Bring the ball. Oh, you like this game, huh? 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. Gotta be careful with her teeth. That. Ready? Want to jump? No. Sit. Sit down. Sit. No. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Ready? Good jump. Good jump, Dally girl. Yeah. Ready? Ready? No, sit. Sit. Good girl. Oh, that's okay. That's okay, puppy. That's okay. You're a good girl. Oh, you're a good girl. You're going to be internet famous now. Ready? That's about as far as I can throw it. Yeah, bring it over here. Bring it over here. Oh. Ready? Ready for another high jump? No, sit. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Not too good with jumps, huh? Not too good. But you're not perfect. Oh, you tried. She almost forgot where the ball was. Watch this. It's a fake throw. I faked it. Ready? I used to fake throw a lot when I first got her. And it was so much fun. Oh, it was so much fun fake throwing the ball and tricking you. Yeah, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Oh, God dang it. Here, try that again. No, drop the ball. Come here. Ready? Oh. Keep on trying. Keep on trying your jump shots. Oh, you almost got it. You almost had it, Dally. You almost had it, baby girl. Oh yes, you're